Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open Registry Editor using run command. So guys, if you want to open Registry Editor using run command, so very easy. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type, Windows key plus R key type here R E G E D I T. Click on OK. Then so guys, this is very simple. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type here Regedit. Click on OK. Thanks. So guys, this is very quickly method if you want to open registry editor using run command. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and say this video is useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.